Hi. Yes, magandang araw po. Again, Kiko Javier from here in the streets of Cebu for Street Wisdom. Alright, probably most of us, no, especially mga beginners or even advanced, na maaaring matagal na nating sinusubukan itong industriya ng marketing. Alright, may it be traditional marketing or online marketing. And we have been asking ourselves why? Bakit until now hindi pa rin ako successful? Alright, so this is a very important topic. Very simple lang po yan. Let's go back to the basics. No? I have been trained as a salesman ever since I started wanting to earn. No? I think I was about in third year high school. Nag-start na po ako into selling. And I have learned this, no? I have learned this principle. Your activity will determine your productivity. Alright? Ito po yung palaging sinasabi sa akin ng aking unit manager, no? So gusto ko lang siya i-acknowledge kung nakikinig siya, si Sir Pito Lawas from Sun Life of Canada. I don't know if you're still with Sun Life. Pero yun po, your activity will determine your productivity. So, wag po tayong magtaka kung bakit sa linya ng marketing in this business, pagka wala tayong sales, no, or walang production. Alright, if kung gusto po talaga natin maging successful in this industry of marketing, be it online, be it offline, be it na meron kang sariling may tindahan ka dyan sa kanto, your activity will determine your productivity. Okay, so ano yung ginagawa mo? Your activities. Ano ba yung ibinubuhos mo doon sa business mo? Ano ba yung mga steps? Ano ba yung mga strategies? Ano ba yung basically ano yung ginagawa mo? So your activity will determine your productivity. Karamihan sa atin hanap ng production, wala namang activities. Alright? So wow. Yun naman sabi ko sa iyo, wow. Ano, wala pang kita? Wala ba akong spillover? Walang nahulog? Ba't gano'n? Ang pangit pala nito. Walang benta, walang bumibili. Alright, again, check what you're doing. Are you doing anything if there's something? Okay, your activity. And if you're doing something, ano yung ginagawa mo? Then check the quality of your activities. Alright, merong mga instances na we feel like we're so tired, ang dami nating ginawa the whole day. Pero kung re-reviewin mo ano yung ginawa mo, alam mo, the whole day namasyal ka. Alright, busy ka kasi nanood ka ng TV. Busy ka kasi feeling mo pagod na pagod ka kasi naglakwatsa ka, nagmoling ka. Yes, that's an activity, pero will it add on to your productivity? Tingnan mo rin. Alright, so we also would like to look for the quality activities. So, ang tip ko lang po sa inyo, no, especially if it's your first time to hear this principle, isulat nyo po yung mga ginagawa nyo on a day-to-day basis. Give yourself at least 5 days or 10 days, no? Sulat mo talaga, no? Get a pen and paper, get yourself a diary. Kung di ka sanay mag-log sa cellphone mo, pero yung cellphone mo meron yung calendar, isulat mo. Ngayon, from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. nag-breakfast ka. Okay, from 9 a.m. to 10:30 naligo ka ng pagkatagal-tagal. Okay, pagdating ng 11 umupo ka sa computer mo, nag-Facebook ka. Then tanghalian na. Okay, then lunchtime, okay, punta ka sa computer, bumaba ka, nag-lunch ka. Then after that, inaanto ka, nag-idlip ka muna. Then after that, hapon na. Then gabi na. Then sabi mo, wow, ba't ganon? Hanggang ngayon wala pa rin akong production. Ba't wala namang nangyayari sa ginagawa ko? Check what you're doing. Again, the bottom line of this video, your activity will determine your productivity. Okay, so isa po ito sa mga paborito kong gawin, talking while driving. Okay, so yun po. So sana may naintindihan kayo, sana may nakuha kayo. This is a classic, basic, old school, pero sa totoo lang po, it's working. Alright? check your activities. Ano nga ba ang ginagawa mo? Bago mo makuha yung productivity o yung production o yung end result, dapat meron kang ginagawa. Alright? Your activity will determine your productivity. The more activities you put into your business, the more production na makukuha mo. The more production, the more money. The more money, the more happy wife. Happy wife, happy life. Alright? Sa mga hindi pa ho kasal, ayan, another topic na naman po yan, yung mga wala pang asawa, no? Again, maraming salamat po, si Kiko Javier again from Street Wisdom. Your activity will determine your productivity. God bless you.